Hello friends, I am Saurabh Gupta from company Prakash Offset. Prakash Offset is the largest manufacturer of paper bag making machines in India, and today I am going to introduce to our latest product PBM 1117 with servo. This is a very unique machine. It's a fully automatic V-bottom paper bag making machine with servos. Generally, there is a big problem that you cannot use a printed roll in a machine like this, but no more. With servo motors and print mark sensors, now you can use printed rolls in the machine and your cutting and printing will remain as it is. It will not shift what it used to be. Let me take you to our first aggregate, reel stand. This is our reel stand, which is made out of steel structure. This has got many advantages. First of them is the tension control system. This tension control system is based on pneumatic disc brake with 2 calipers. Now when the reel is big or when it is expiring to a smaller size, operator has to adjust the tension or the braking continuously, but not with this. He can set the tension on the screen, and this system, being closed loop, will maintain that tension right through the course of the reel. Second advantage is the lifting system. This pneumatic reel lifting system saves a lot of time and labor. You can put the reel in front of the system and this will lift the roll automatically. Third is the shaft. This is an air shaft where you just have to put the air and it will inflate automatically and hold the reel from inside and lock the reel. Fourth advantage is the sideless system. You can move the reel left and right with this sideless system. You don't have to take out the reel out of the shaft and then load it again. It is a very convenient system. Last advantage, but not the least, is the dancer based system. This roller is a dancer and is spring loaded. It absorbs all the shock from the reel and feeds the paper smoothly to the machine. Because if the paper is fed smoothly, your machine will perform better. This is our automatic tension control system. Since this machine is fitted with servo, it comes with 2 load cells. Function of load cell is to give real-time feedback of the running tension. So when the system detects there is a deviation in the set tension, it does the correction automatically, which makes the life of operator quite easy, because throughout the life of the reel, the set tension is maintained and paper is converted smoothly into paper bags. Now we come on to our next section, which is tube formation section. As you can see, tube is being formed here. Now you have got both the options, either to have this pasting in the center or right at the end, which is called side pasting option. This center pasting and side pasting comes standard with all our machines, and which is possible only because of this structure. Additionally, there are some rubber runners which helps in tube formation, and also the gusset formation. Gusset formation is being adjusted with this screw. And best part of this is you adjust the screw from here and both the side gussets are adjusted automatically in tandem so that you get equal gusset on both the sides. Now we come on to our next section, which is the delivery section. In delivery section, first you get all necessary controls on switches such as emergency stop, inch, speed slow, speed fast and run. Next is the touch screen. On touch screen, all the paper bag related controls are given such as bag length, offset and homing functions. In delivery section, we have a bottom glue section as well. In this bottom glue, we have got two rollers, one of nylon and one of steel material. Advantages of two rollers is you can control the amount of glue that you have to transfer to the paper bag very precisely. Additionally, we have given an additional motor on the roller to control the speed of the roller. Now, another advantage is when you transfer the glue precisely, then you do not have a problem of excess glue and two bags coming together and sticking together. Neither the problem of less glue and your bottom getting opened up. In delivery section, now I will show you how you will see the total production of your machine. We have given digital counter where you can see the total production made by the machine, the speed of the machine, and also you can set the batch counter, which means you can set the production for 25, 50 or 100 pieces of batches that machine will show you. Most important part of the delivery section is our main drum. Our main drum has got 8 grippers, which makes it high-speed machine. When you get the final product on this table, this product is ready for market. It is being pasted at the center and also at the bottom. As you can see, printing is right in the middle and it is being cut precisely where it had to be. Product is fully ready. If you have any requirement, please contact on the number shown on the screen. Thank you.